You see, in printing business, there are things you will acquire and you will be filled with joy. And not just because the thing is too high, or let me just say too expensive or too less expensive. When we finish printing, what we normally do is we normally take our let me just say our finished printed books, either books or souvenir or anything. We normally take it outside or to our neighbor's place to go and cut it or to trim it as well. But it has always been a challenging moment for us, to the extent that in the process of taking it there, we might lose some books along the line, we might get some damage, and at times you normally get failures like disappointment. They might tell you there is no light, you have to come back. They might tell you have to pay extra fee for generator, for the use of generator, and some other disappointment like that. At times, there might be some days whereby they will tell you, okay, you have to come back. We actually cut in some other jobs. You have to wait from some hours and the likes. So those challenges are actually setback for us, and we have to look for a solution. Actually, we were looking for something bigger, but it wasn't as easy as it seems. But in the process, we just decided to take something smaller. Not small, but at least it will make our work more efficient and faster, and it will be less expensive for us. We have to spend money to actually trim our work. When it is very large quantity, it's actually more challenging transporting it to where we are going to trim it, then transporting it back to the office again as well. But around the line, we're able to get this smaller cutting machine. It's 8 in size, and at least it will be trimming our work efficiently in the office without taking any book outside, without taking any flyer outside. To the extent that at times when we actually print like 50 flyers, you have to go to like a little bit far distance to go trim like 50 flyers, which is not supposed to be. But with this, our work, it will make our work much more easier than we can even imagine. As you can see, this is our finished printed book. It's a textbook, and you can see here that we're actually trimming our book here in house in the office without taking it outside. So at least it's a step ahead. And considering the fact that we just added another DI to the DI collection as well, this is not about bragging. It's about letting our customers know that yes, we're actually ready for business, and to let them know that the efficiency is there. So what they want is what they will get. If you want to print flyer, we don't need to tell you go and trim it on the other street, go and trim it at so places. We will actually help you to trim it as well. If it is poster, if it is textbook, if it is anything you want, just mention it. You actually get it here. Even if you're printing paper bags, at times you don't normally take it outside to cut as well. But with this, it will make our work more efficient. And I say to you, peace.